As you can see, I'm always using some type of air tool that makes a lot of noise. When I use air tools or any other equipment, I usually wear earplugs. And I will find sometimes I wear earplugs half the day just because I left them in there and forget about it and doing different things. And because of that, sometimes it builds up earwax in my ears. So I found a kit that helps remove them, because I've tried the little bottle washes and stuff and that doesn't always help. But this little kit, it's got really great reviews, and I'm going to try it out today and I'll let you know how it works. Now what I was talking about is this little earwax removal kit. I'm going to give it a try. Like I said, I've used the little bulbs that you get like at Walmart and places, but I was looking online and saw this had good reviews, and looked at the kit and it looks like it might do more than what the others do. So let's open up this kit and see what all's in here. Now the kit shows it comes with a soft sprinkler tip. Then you get a whole bag of disposable nozzle tips that go on there. You get a cleaning towel, an absorbent ball, which means that's the ball that sucks the debris back out of your ear. And then of course you get the little basin that comes that you hold up to, underneath your ear to catch the debris when you're flushing it. Now they show how easy the kit is to use, and actually it's even kind of got your instructions here showing you that you would mix 4 parts water to either 1 part hydrogen peroxide or 1 part white vinegar. I would say that can vary depending on how heavy your wax is in your ear, but it's nice it's already got the mixing ratio on the side of the box. Of course it shows it comes with, the little basin and the little pump that you use to spray the solution in your ear. And of course a towel to dry off your ear with once you're finished. The box even clearly shows you why you might be using an earwax cleaning kit, like if you have itching ears, headache, hearing loss, earwax blockages. For me, when I get a lot of wax buildup, I notice my ears ring. Not real bad. I guess it's a little bit of form of tinnitus, probably from running heavy equipment, but when I clean out my ears, the ringing goes away. So that might be another reason. Thankfully, this kit comes with instructions. I have bought some before that they just assume you're going to know what to do with it. This one has clear instructions on how to use the kit. It even comes with safety precautions, which is really nice because a lot of those kits do not give you any kind of warnings or safety precautions, and this one does. Now, obviously, I'm not going to be using the earwax kit out here in the garage, although I could, but since I do wear my earplugs out here and I do mow grass and stuff and wear earplugs, and I was talking about it, I thought I'd go ahead and open up the box to see what all's in it. So it's pretty well self-contained. It's all in a nice little bucket. Let's see what it comes with. It comes with the how to use instructions. Looks like it comes with a multitude of tips to spray in your ear. Well, this is kind of obvious, so okay, that's pretty slick. So that'll give you the pump pressure to actually spray it at a good pressure in your ear. The kits I have normally used are just little bulbs where you drop the droplets in your ear, then you suck water out and then spray it in your ear a little bit and hope it all comes out. It comes with the cloth too, and of course then it comes with the little bin that you put right up underneath your ear to catch the solution. Okay, so I was right. These are just disposable nozzles. That's why you get a bag full of them. Because I imagine they get dirty with the earwax and stuff on them. So you could probably clean them, but probably just easier to throw them away. So I just got to mix up my solution, which I'll go over in the video here how I mix it up. Like I said, I'm going to probably use hydrogen peroxide. I really don't care about having vinegar in my ear. I'm going to use hydrogen peroxide and some water and try this out. Okay, according to the instructions on the box, it calls for 4 parts warm water and 1 part either hydrogen peroxide or 1 part white vinegar. I'm going to use hydrogen peroxide because I don't really care for the smell of vinegar, although I do use vinegar in a lot of different things, but in this case I'm just going to use hydrogen peroxide. Okay. I have a beaker here. Not everybody's going to carry a beaker. I just happen to have one because I do some chemistry stuff on the side, but you can use anything. So 4 parts water just means you can have 4 cups of warm water, and then 1 cup of whatever your solution is going to be. Also, I would imagine that you could probably mix it a little stronger or a little weaker depending on if you know the severity of wax buildup. But that's 110 milliliters of water, lukewarm water. So to make it 4 parts, I'm going to need to make it 30 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, you screw your little pump part onto this. I'd give it a little bit of shake just to kind of help mix it up. We're going to make sure that it sprays. Now this tip is considered the light sprinkle tip, which means it kind of diversifies it going into your ear, not straight down the canal. The disposable tips are designed to actually spray it right down into the ear canal. I don't have that bad of wax buildup because I have actually cleaned it before, so. Now I just put a Q-tip in my ear just to kind of, and I didn't push down or to push the wax mirror, just kind of put it in there just to sop up the moisture a little bit, and I found debris of wax. So it did clean the wax out pretty good, better than the old way I was doing it. It wasn't very uncomfortable. I could feel it spraying it into the ear canal. It didn't bother me at all. I have, like I said, I've got an old kit that I've used. Matter of fact, I used it on my daughter when she was little. And the kit that I used on her was real gentle. I don't think that it got the wax out a lot. I mean, if I Q-tipped her ear afterwards, I'd get a little debris. So later on, when I noticed I was getting wax buildup from wearing earplugs all the time, I tried her kit on myself, and it got a little bit out. But I would still hear. I don't get headaches or anything from it, but I get tinnitus, and where I hear piercing frequency all the time. And so when I noticed I cleaned my ears out, it would deaden it. But after I've used it on my ears on this kit, I don't hear any pitch at all. So it must clean out the wax really good. There's no mess. It went right into the little bucket they give you that can just kind of clips right below your ear. It did a great job. So I do highly recommend using this earwax kit. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. And always check back because I'm always doing something crazy like an earwax kit on an automotive site. See you in the next one.